Bookkeeping is not just data entry, it's tax planning. As you do your bookkeeping, your tax planning is done as well. You have to look at your financial statements on a monthly basis. You have to know where your cash is. Are you making enough profits? Are you spending too much? How are your operating expenses? Are you spending in items that you shouldn't really have to at this time? Or are you spending enough in marketing, for example? Marketing is a revenue generating system. You should actually spend money in marketing. Your financial statements tells a story, as I said, and you have to plan throughout the entire year for your end of the year and for tax season. Your tax professional should be able to tell you throughout the year different strategies that can be used to help you save taxes at the end. You have to be organized. You have to have a professional look at your numbers. An example that happened in our practice is that we actually do monthly accounting services for our clients. And we had one particular client that last year in 2024, it was the first year that his business was operating, and they did pretty well. But in 2025, the business was really growing and really taking off. By us knowing his numbers in 2024 and preparing his taxes for 2024, already knowing what was going to happen in his business in 2025, helped us make decisions ahead of time on tax savings for his 2025 taxes. So there were some adjustments and some items that we were able to actually postpone or do for the next year, which were more useful for him than in 2024. Of course, I'm talking about depreciation and the different methods, but it takes a professional to think about that and to look at that before you actually finalize the taxes. So it is important for you to have your accountant look at the numbers throughout the year, hopefully at least quarterly, if not semi or twice a year, or at least before the year ends. My recommendation definitely is to do it at least quarterly. But you as the business owner, you should look at your financial statements as well and make sure that they are telling you the story that you want to hear. And if they are not, if you're actually losing money, then let's look at the detail. Let's sit with a professional and find out how we can help you. Or are you making too much money and therefore you're going to be paying a lot of taxes at the end of the year? What are different strategies that can be used to help you save money at the end of the year? All of those tax strategies have to be worked on throughout the year. So my recommendation to my clients always is have a professional look at your books on a monthly basis. We sit with our clients, but you as a business owner, sit with your accountant at least every quarter and plan, make a projection through the end of the year, put in place tax strategies, things that will save you money at the end of the year, and it's only going to give you a peace of mind because by the time you have to file taxes, your books are going to be ready, you have done the planning needed, you are ready to file and go. Call us if you have any questions.